Examining the raw data, I start by reviewing my raw sales dataset in Excel, which includes detailed columns like order ID, region, state, sales manager, product category, units sold, total sales, and target sales. Retrieving the VBA macro code, I switch over to a Word document where I have stored the predefined VBA macro code created to build an automated dashboard. Reviewing the AI prompt, I check my browser tab, Claude AI, to reference the original prompt used to generate the dashboard automation script. Importing the module into Excel. Back in Excel, I opened the Visual Basic for Applications, VBA, editor through the Developer tab. I right-click the project hierarchy, select Import File ... and load the dashboard module .bas file into the workbook. Designing a macro trigger button on the spreadsheet, I navigate to the Insert tab, draw a rectangle shape, and format it with a blue fill. I add the text Dashboard to the button and center the alignment. Assigning and running the macro, I right-click the newly created button, choose Assign Macro, and link it to the Build Sales Dashboard routine. I click the Dashboard button to execute the VBA script. Interacting with the generated dashboard, a pop-up window confirms Sales Dashboard built successfully. Excel instantly creates a sales and target performance dashboard complete with key metric cards, dynamic charts, and interactive slicers, region, product category, and month. I test the slicer buttons to verify that all charts and KPIs update in real time.